I'm still obsessed with the DJI Mic 2. The audio you're hearing right now is coming directly from the DJI Mic 2. In this little video here, I just wanted to show you the unboxing experience of just the standard combo. The one that comes with a microphone, and then you've got the transmitter here, so a receiver and a transmitter. You can get a few different versions out there, but I thought I'd just show you what this unboxing experience was like, just with the standard kit. And also just to give you an example of what the audio sounds like. Like I said, this is coming directly from the DJI Mic 2. I've actually got it connected up to the Osmo Pocket 3. So I'm just going to quickly disconnect the microphone. You might hear me disconnecting it. But this is it here. You can see I've got it in the blue pairing mode, so it's connected directly up to the Osmo Pocket 3. This is just from a little bit of distance. Typically I'd have it a lot closer, like here. And you see the levels on the Pocket 3, but that's my favorite combo, honestly. This microphone with the Pocket 3 is my favorite combo. I use it all the time. So let me just connect it back up. Just give me 1 second. So there we go. I've now got it clipped on to my shirt. And let's have a little look. Let's just see what we get in this box. I haven't actually had a look in this combo, so I'm very curious to see what we get. We get some silicone gel, we get some paperwork, the quick start guide, always very handy. And then we get this. Ooh, so it comes with a little pouch. That's really cool. I was actually just expecting it to come as just 2 individual pieces, but a pouch is very nice, a little travel pouch, love that. So as we open this up, oh, it fully opens up like so. Oh, that's clean, I really like that. We get some more silicone gel, and that's how it comes. So let's have a look at what additional accessories we get in here. So we get the little lightning connection. That's to connect it up to your iOS device. You get a USB-C connection. Connect that up to your laptop, your computer, an Android device potentially, a tablet, whatever it may be. So you get those two. Oh, we get a lot in here. I was not actually expecting to have so many additional accessories in this kit. Very, very nice. So now we get this guy here, plug this in directly to your camera, and then you're going to get some very, very clean audio from your camera system. We've then got a USB-A to a USB-C, but it looks like it splits. It looks like it comes with 2 USB-Cs. Oh, so you can charge both the receiver and the transmitter at the same time by the looks of it. So it's like a split cable. Well, that's actually a very handy cable to have. Like that, that's very nice. I'm actually quite impressed. I was not expecting all of this. And then in here, I can see we've got even more. So we've got the little windshield right there. I love the new windshield design with the Mic 2. It's so much easier to use. And then we've got the 2 main pieces here. Let's have a look at how they come. There we go. So I think it's the shadow black version. I think that's what they call it, the one that I got. So that's it there. Very easy to connect in the windshield. You just literally plug it in, clicks into place like so. And then we have this guy here. So the receiver, and you can see it says Mic RX for receiver. That's ready to go. I can set that up nice and easily. And then we've got the transmitter here. It's got the little clip, which I'm using right now on my shirt. You can also use the little magnetic puck, which is how I normally connect it up. Very strong magnet. Got a record button, USB-C, we've got a linking button and a power button, and you can also record audio directly to this microphone. So you don't need to have any other external device. You can just use this as your microphone and then sync up the audio later. Something I do all the time. Very, very handy stuff. And then this receiver here is clean. Really love this receiver, how it all works. You've got the little toggle wheel here to go between your settings. You can adjust all sorts of things. With this, you've got the out, you've got the headphone jack. You've also got the little pins here as well for the full kit that you can get with the charging case. USB-C here to charge it. This little thing disconnects, and then that's how you connect up one of these guys. So for example, you would slot that in like so. The receiver would then plug into your iOS device, like for my iPhone, for example, and then from there I can have audio from this setup going directly into my iPhone. Nice and easy, high quality audio, very easy to set up. So yeah, I'm very impressed actually with how this has come packaged. Really cool stuff.